AWeber is one of the longest running email marketing platforms, but is it still the best option today? In this video, I'll break down exactly how AWeber works, what it does well, where it falls short, and most importantly, whether there are better alternatives. Plus, stick around till the end because I've got an exclusive extended free trial for AWeber, along with some alternatives that might be even better for your needs. So, how does AWeber work? At its core, it's an email marketing tool designed to help businesses grow their audience, send automated email campaigns, and track results. You can create emails using drag and drop templates, set up automated sequences, and integrate with tools like WordPress, Shopify, and PayPal. It's beginner friendly, but is it enough to stand out in today's market? Next, let's talk about automation. AWeber allows you to create automated email sequences, like welcome emails or follow-ups based on subscriber actions. But compared to competitors like ActiveCampaign or GetResponse, AWeber's automation feels a bit basic. If you need advanced segmentation or AI-driven automation, it might not be the best fit. Another thing to consider is AWeber's pricing. Unlike some competitors, it doesn't offer a fully free plan, only a limited version with 500 subscribers. And once you scale up, it can get pricey. Platforms like MailerLite and Moozend offer more flexibility and lower pricing for small businesses. The fourth thing is deliverability. AWeber has a solid reputation for making sure emails land in inboxes instead of spam folders. But keep in mind, most major email marketing platforms have good deliverability rates, so this alone isn't a reason to choose AWeber. Finally, let's talk about templates and design. AWeber provides hundreds of pre-made templates, which is great for beginners. But if you need more customization or modern designs, tools like ConvertKit or MailChimp might be a better fit. So, is AWeber the best choice? If you need a simple, reliable email tool with great customer support, it's a solid option. But if you're looking for more advanced automation, better pricing, or modern templates, there are better alternatives. To make it easy, I've added an exclusive extended free trial to AWeber in the description. But I've also included some alternatives with free trials that might be a better fit depending on your needs. Click the link below to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available through our link.